If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Today's video is something very important to my soul and to my heart, and that is me getting my act together for vacation. I am so grateful for this, and I understand the privilege that I have to be able to do this. Me and my mom and my sister are going on vacation to Europe. And I'm so excited, I'm so happy, especially after the last few months that we've had. I'm so grateful that I get to do this with my mom and my sister, because not a lot of people can say that they went on vacation with their mom and their sister. And I just know that we're going to have a fun time and we're going to love it. So I cannot wait. Also, going back to Europe, because I only went once last year, and it just fed this little gremlin inside of me that's just like, you need to go travel more. Like, that is the must right now. You need to go travel. You need to go meet new people. You need to go socialize, get with the cultures and everything, because I think that's one of the best things ever. But yeah, this video is about getting ready for that. So let's get into it. You know those feelings before a big trip where you're like, oh my god, I am so excited. Not me, because I'm a chronic planner and I have 7 days to get my life in order before this trip. And like, this is a big trip. This isn't like a domestic trip. This is an international trip, which I'm so grateful for. Again, hands down, probably will be one of the best trips of my life. But right now, I'm sick. Why did I get sick the week before I have to leave of all time? No clue. But the show doesn't stop. So today we are going to be doing something that I haven't done in a while, which I'm like, this is kind of gross that I haven't done it in a while. Don't mind the homemade mason bottle from like 2015, 2016. I have to wash my makeup brushes. I don't know the last time I washed them, and I'm starting to break out just a little bit using them. Nothing in my makeup has changed other than my beauty blender, which I already exchanged for a better brand of beauty blender, which honestly cleared up my skin a little bit. But I feel like just to get that extra oomph of like grossness out of the way, I'm gonna clean my makeup brushes, the thing that I use to do it, and we're going to do it. Like a little baby rat, and I know that. Full chest, no. I showered, I'm all lotioned up because I have been keeping up with my lotioning, so that way when we go out and we are hiking all day and walking and in the sun, my skin will be okay. Because if I didn't start that already, I would have been screwed. But the thing that I have been skipping is whitening my teeth, which I need to get on that. And I can't use whitening strips. My teeth are so sensitive that like once I put the like whitening strip on and it's on my like whole entire teeth, it hurts like somebody is drilling my teeth without any numbing. I use toothpaste and peroxide to do that, which I will do that a little bit later, because first and foremost, we're gonna do skincare. I might actually skip out the lip thing today and do it closer to us leaving, because due to the fact that I just had finals and I was stressed out about school, I have little cuts in my lips, because the first thing I do, usually it's biting my nails, but since I've been getting them done, I can't bite their gum. So I've been picking at my lip and biting at it, and that's not good either. I'm thinking using this right before the trip so that way my lips are healed. Anyway, so we're gonna do some skincare today because I need to be glowing by the time we are in Europe. So this is the exfoliator I use. You guys have seen this in my night routine a few days ago, which is okay because for me it wasn't a few days ago. It was a while ago. I don't know the drill. It's paper. And where's the little spoolie? Oh, here's a spoolie. It actually works like a dream, truthfully. It smells really, really chemical inducing. I will not lie. It takes out all of my blackheads for the most part. When you first open it, it looks like slime. Like, that's what it looks like. Oh, I almost spilled that over my desk, and that wouldn't have been okay. On my desk is my camera, and that would have really been wrong. So I do at least 2 to 3 layers to get it builded, so that way when I pull off the strip of paper, it does take away all the blackheads. I also do try to do my nose. I mean, clearly my nose, but I also do try to do my chin, because that's also a place where I break out the most. I feel like the 2 places that I break out the most on my face are my nose and my chin, and I think that has to do with hormones and stuff. And I'm also so excited because clearly I love video editing. and all the stuff that comes with it. I bought a light, I'll show you guys in a second, for my phone because I'm going to be vlogging everything, but not for YouTube because it's my family vacation with my sister and my mom. But I am going to be vlogging all of it so that way we have like a little home diary situation, and I'm so excited to do it because we don't have any like home footage. Like, you know, a lot of people growing up, like parents record their first steps and everything. I think that we didn't like have the money for a nice camera. That is something that I always think is such a shame if kids don't have, which is like home diaries, home footage, because you get to see what you were like in real time in front of you, like how you said things, and I think that they're so cute. So I want us to have that so that way my sister's kids and my kids could see that in the future, and that way we have it so we could relive it. I also don't know how to do my nails because right now they're like hot pink. Clearly, I love it and I'm obsessed. And even the nail lady that was doing it, she's like, I'm obsessed with that color. It's so spring. And I am such a sucker for the red palette. But I'm like, should I do something different? But also something that's like a classic so it doesn't stand out in pictures because I don't want to have like neon colored nails in photos. So I'm thinking of just doing like a basic French just this once because I feel like I've done baby pink so many times. I get that my nose looks a little bit scary right now, but we really do have to trust the process. Oh my god, that paper folded. Okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. As long as it gets out, that's all that matters. I am also still a little bit sick, like I said earlier in the video, but like I feel like I'm 80% better. Like I'm not back to like being 100% me, but I feel like I'm 80%, 85% maybe after today because I went to work. Me and my friends are supposed to go clubbing tomorrow, and that is clearly not happening because I still need to get better and not worse before vacation. So it's like, guys, we will go clubbing when I come back because I have yet to go, and I've been 21 for the past 2-3 weeks. Let's see when I'm taking it off. Okay, I'm back and I've caught up with some applications for internships, so it took me a lot longer than I thought. But this is dry on my face. Let's go and peel that off. That was easy. Okay, now for the fun part. I always get teary-eyed doing this. I'm literally crying from a nose strip. Oh my god. I swear my eyes are so sensitive. It's genetics because both my mom's side of the family and my dad's side, like we go outside in the winter and we start crying. Okay, you guys, I am back. Face card is very red and very, very irritated. So what are we gonna do about it? I'm so glad you asked. Anyway, so we're gonna do this face mask because it's supposed to vitalize. This mask is vitalizing. What does that mean? I couldn't tell you. But what I'm hoping is it makes my skin look great and moisturized and hydrated. So here's to hoping. I like to do sheet masks, but I rather do exfoliator mask because I feel like it's less messy than a moisturizing mask because this makes me feel gooey. And if you cannot hear, I'm a little bit congested, so I apologize for that in advance. I still also have to whiten my teeth today because like I've been saying, I've not been on the grind of that. I feel like the worst part is like the first touch of it being on your face. I'm gonna see you guys after on the other side because I need to put this on my face and not move it. Okay, I'm in the middle of editing a YouTube video, but this needed to come off because it is dry and it was about to fall off my face. I hope my skin like looks better. It's literally deflecting the light. Like I look like 5 times younger, and when I get Botox on Friday, I'm really gonna be 5 times younger. This is what the skin is looking like after all the face masks today. Hopefully it looks better than it did at the start. This container was loved, okay? It was loved. I'm gonna finish off this cream here in the United States, and then I'm gonna take my new Jet Lag in my little cubby, and I'm gonna take it on the trip because I knew I was running out and I wanted to have it on vacation. I'm gonna put the last of it on my face right now and on my neck. I also lost the cap for it, if you couldn't tell. Just really want to put like a layer. And I'm not going to sleep yet. I'm gonna let it all marinate on my face before I go to sleep. I feel like people always forget to lotion their neck. Lotioning your neck is important too because you could get wrinkles on your neck, and I did not know that for the longest time. And I also like to like kind of try to get the liquid out. I'm gonna put this on my lips because they are chapped. I also feel dehydrated, but I'm gonna drink some water after maybe 5 minutes of the chapstick being on. This and this are so, like the consistency of them are good because it's thick, so it really does moisturize your lips and your face and your hands. I need some pearly whites before this vacation. That's like my one thing because I'm gonna be smiling with this the whole time if I don't have pearly whites. And I will notice it in my photos. I also like having white teeth. Like, I wish I had them more. Okay, I'm not gonna actually show you my teeth because that's scary to do on the internet. I love you. Bye. Okay, you guys, I'm about to go whiten my teeth, but I did say I was gonna show you the light that I bought. So it's like a clip. It also goes on my camera, which I'm like, that's kind of a steal on Amazon. Don't embarrass me. So we are going to have quality. Oh god, that's burning my eyeballs. But we are going to have quality on this home diary, and hopefully, fingers crossed, the editing will be great. All right, hey guys, I forgot to give you guys an update, but I got my nails done. And I got a French, so I did that, and I also got my toes done, which I will not show because first off, not that type of channel and not for free. Second off, they messed it up, so I still have to redo it later tonight, which I'm upset about. It happens, so whatever, but I'll hit you guys up tomorrow for the next update. I woke up, I am ready, clearly makeup on, hair is done. We are ready to go outside. I am going to one of two of the appointments that I have today. I'm gonna go get my arms waxed and my legs waxed because I need to be hairless for every single vacation that I go on, because what am I if not a girl? These are just girly things that I need to do. So I have to buy white nail polish because they did all the cutting and everything. I just have to repaint my nails. So that's what we're gonna do. Go to my waxing appointment, and then we're going to go to CVS to get the nail polish. And then I also have to pick up a couple toiletries for the trip because I realized I'm not taking my big cleanser with me, and I'm not taking my big makeup remover with me. So I need to get that liquid. We would be ready to go. I also went through all of my clothes yesterday, got everything delivered on time, and now all is left to do is pack. I have to film some stuff before I go to my appointment, so I will see you guys after the appointment. All right, you guys, we are after the wax appointment. Don't worry, it's still the same day. I just had to change because I was sweating my butt off. Anyway, my skin is a bit irritated. It was so red after, and I was not expecting it to be so irritated from the wax, but it's okay because now I'm smooth like butter. I got my Botox. Do I look any different than I did before? I don't know, but they are in there. I have the blood to prove it, okay? It was painful and I don't like it. And that's it. It was the night before the trip. All right, guys, we're actually locking in this time. We are going to do the same thing that we did a couple of nights ago with the skincare. We're also doing this one. Okay, first things first, we need to pull my hair back because I'm not getting this dirty. I just spent like 20 minutes getting it straightened, and even now it's curling up. So I'm gonna straighten it again tomorrow because I will have time tomorrow to do it. I was just like, I'm gonna start it today, and then tomorrow will be the final touches. I look like an egg. Where's the spoolie? It gets me every single time. I'm like, where is it? Ew, this is kind of gross. I put it on the wrong way. Maybe I should just like start a band. I can't play a single instrument. I also can't sing. I wish I could sing. Oh my god, I would love to be a pop star, like in another life. Because I genuinely am such a fangirl for so many people, and I also love the costumes and the stage production. And I'm like, oh my god, these people, like, they're talented. Like, they need to think of a concept and like set it all up. Literally masterminds. Like, I can't even think about it. That's like so many different people. I still can't believe I'm leaving tomorrow. What do you mean I'm getting on a plane tomorrow? We already checked in for the airport. What do you mean? What are you even talking about? I really am tiring myself out so much to the point that I'm really hoping I knock out on the plane. Like, genuinely. Because I've been staying up editing all the videos, and then I wake up and I film or edit. Alright, the nose part is done. Alrighty, I'm gonna let this cool off while I do some editing. Slowly but surely, we are getting through all the footage. Okay, so it's time to take this off. Okay, a little bit irritated. Now for the centerpiece of the show. Oh my god, I'm gonna start crying again. Oh, that hurt. That hurt a lot. Okay, so you know what? I think I'm gonna do it one more time on my nose, like here, because it got all of the blackheads out here and here, but here it was still not just dry enough. So I'm gonna try to do it a second time. I kept saying tomorrow, and tomorrow is it. Tomorrow is literally it. Like, there is no tomorrow. It is time to peel this off. I hope this is a good peel. It was the night before Michelle had to go away for Europe. And you know what I'm thinking of? Taking an allergy pill because I think my allergies are coming on. I ate mango today because I was really craving mango, but I'm really allergic to mango. Puffed up right away. And so did my face. It's like a little bit irritated. I also just did the face mask. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take that before I go to sleep. I will say it once and I will say it again. I hate this process of like taking out because it's so slimy. This is a nourishing mask made of honey. Honey. You get it? I didn't even do that on purpose. By this point in the video, you guys know the drill. I'll see you on the other side because I don't like talking while I'm doing this or putting it on, or I'm done putting it on because I don't want to move my face. The eye and hand coordination you need for this mask is ridiculous. Am I putting on a face mask or am I going to a professional athlete's team? Like why does it need so much hand and eye coordination? This is becoming a sensory issue. Put this one on. Okay, so once I put this on, I can't talk anymore. I know you guys are so upset about it. I needed to take it off. I couldn't stand it anymore. It kept sliding down. I'm sorry if I'm whispering, but everybody in the house is sleeping. Except first, this allergy medication. Okay guys, I'm probably gonna go whiten my teeth, and then after that I'm hitting the stack because I need to get my sleep. I'm literally as pale as a ghost. Like I just saw myself on the monitor. Oh my god. But if you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much. I literally love you so much, and I will see you guys in the next one.